In this video, we're going to talk about Maria Claudia Lacouture, one of the most influential business leaders in Colombia, recognized for her work in international trade, economic development, and executive leadership. Through her career in both of the public and private sectors, she has made an important impact on the growth of Colombian business and on the commercial relationship between Colombia and the United States. In today's global economy, leaders who can connect the public and private sector are essential for the development. Maria Claudia Lacouture is one of the most important figures in Colombia in this field. She was born in Santa Marta in 1974 and studied finance and international relations at Universidad Externada de Colombia. She later completed a master's degree in agricultural economics at Cornell University, which strengthened her knowledge of international market economy, policy, and sustainable development. Her early career included international experience in organizations such as Egon Center and Trade with Network, where she worked on market development, strategy planning, and sport promotion. This experience allowed her to understand how business grow in competitive markets and how international partnerships can create new opportunities. Later, she became a key leader in Colombian economic sector. She served as president of ProColombia, where she promoted tourism, where investment and sport. She was then appointed Minister of Commerce, Industry and Tourism of Colombia, leading policies to improve competitive and support national business. Currently, Maria Claudia Lacouture is the Executive Director of AFCHAN Colombia, where she works to strengthen trade relations between Colombia and the United States. She is recognized for the strategic vision, leadership skills, and communicate to economic growth, innovation, and job creation.
Maria Claudia Lacouture. Her work has played a decisive role in strengthening Colombia's international commercial presence by linking public trade policy with the real needs of private sector. During her presidency at ProColombia, Lacouture led a significant transformation in the country's trade promotion strategy. Under her leadership, Colombia moved away from traditional promotional models and adopted a more strategic and data-driven approach. Market intelligence, sector-specific analysis, and targeted international promotion became key tools to identify export opportunities and reduce risks for Colombian companies entering foreign markets. As a result of this new approach, more than 21,000 international business opportunities will generate for Colombian entrepreneurs. In addition, export destinations expanded, international tourists increased, and no meaning for indirect and investment grew substantially. This result demonstrated how effective leadership at the institutional level can positively influence a country's commercial evolution and global competitiveness. Later, as Minister of Commerce, Industry and Tourism, Maria Claudia Lacouture continued to shape Colombia's commercial development by promoting and implementing trade agreements that opened access to more than 17 countries and over 1.5 billion consumers. Her management focused on improving market access while also strengthening competitiveness through trade facilitation, reduction of bureaucratic procedures, formalization of business, and the promoting of good business practice. In her current role as executive president of AmCham Colombia, lacouture continues to influence commercial evolution by strengthening trade relations between Colombia and the United States. Through initiatives such as business around digital trade promotion and support for export diversification, she has encouraged growth in the sector such as service, technology, engineering, and specialized tourism. Her leadership highlights adaptability to global challenges such as trade tensions, regulatory change, and stricter international standards.
The narrative of Maria Claudia Lacouture is characterized by a strong focus on strategy, ability, and the ability to connect different sectors of the economy. She not only relies on data analysis but also uses strategy think to make informed decisions that generate real impact. Her understanding of both the public and private sector allowed her to build effective bridges between the creating opportunities that for economic growth. In addition, her leadership style is dynamic and resultant. She has the ability to transform public policy into concrete business opportunities, promoting innovation and competitiveness. Her global vision enabled her to identify international trends and apply to the Colombia context. These qualities make her a highly effective and influential leader capable of driving substantive development.
History of the business group. AmCham Colombia was founded in 1955 with the purpose of strengthening trade relations between Colombia and the United States. Since its creation, it has grown into one of the most important binational business organizations in the country, representing more than 900 companies from different economic sectors such as technology, agriculture, logistics, tourism, and manufacturing. Throughout its history, AmCham has played a key role in major economic initiatives. It supported cooperation efforts between both nations and was especially important in promoting the free trade agreement that entered into force in 2012, creating more opportunities for export, investment, and market access. In recent years, AmCham has showed its ability to adapt to global change and new business challenges. During the pandemic, it organized virtual business room to K companies connect and activity. It also launched programs such as Empleo High and Scale to support employment, entrepreneurship, and economic recovery. In today, AmCham Colombia continues to serve as a bridge between Colombia and the United States, promoting trade, foreign investment, innovation, and new business opportunities for companies in both countries.
Main economic change and challenges. Through her professional career, Maria Claudia Lacouture has faced important economic changes that have influenced the development of trade and business in Colombia. Among the main challenges are the volatility of the international economic environment, the historical dependence of traditional export, and increasing competition in global markets. During her time at ProColombia as Minister of Commerce, one key challenge was ensuring that trade agreements generate real benefits for companies despite limitations such as low productivity, high logistic costs, and limited innovation. In response, she's promoted trade facilitation and improvements in the business environment. In her current role at ancient Colombia, she has faced challenges such as inflation, economic slowdown, trade tensions, and the risk of new tariffs on Colombia exports. In this context, she has emphasized export diversification, job creation, and adaptation to new international standards in order to maintain the country's competitiveness.
Innovation has been a key part of Maria Claudia Lacouture leadership style and professional vision. Through her career, she has promoted a modern strategy to improve competitiveness and expand business opportunities in Colombia. She understands innovation is essential for economic growth in a global and constantly changing market. He has strong support digital trade, encourage companies to use technology to reach new customers and international markets. She also promotes virtual business events and online network space, especially during challenging times such as pandemic, allowing companies to continue building partnerships and commercial connections. In addition, La Couture has worked to strengthen a sector with the high potential, such as technology, engineering, agribusiness, and wellness tourism. By supporting this industry, she has helped diversify the Colombian economy and reduce dependence on traditional sectors. Her innovation strategies focus on to create new jobs, attracting foreign investment, improving productivity, and preparing business for future market trade. This action has opened new opportunities for enterprises and companies across the country.
In conclusion, Maria Claudia Lacouture can demonstrate how strong leadership can drive economic growth and the country global position. Her experience highlights the importance of innovation, data-driven decision-making and collaboration between sectors. For Colombia to remain competitive, it is essential to continue fostering innovation, strengthening international trade, and supporting business in her expansion into global markets. Promoting cooperation between the public and private sector is also key, as is the leads to more comprehensive and effective solutions. Finally, Colombia should investigate in digital transformation, education, and the talent development, as the factor will play a crucial role in facing future change and take advantage of new opportunities in the global economy.